Hi Jerry, thank you for attending today. Can you just tell us a little bit about yourself and the background to the company?
Yeah, so I'm the Exec Managing Director of Ed Software Group in Europe here. Been with the company about 4 years. Recently formed, came together about a year ago. My history is about 30 years in the industry, primarily across the institutional buy and sell side.
And what does the company do itself?
So the company provides front-to-back solutions to the buy side and sell side, order management, execution management and portfolio management.
And from your perspective, what are the biggest challenges in the industry at the moment?
Well, I think the usual extension of both regulatory and investor scrutiny, so total cost of ownership controls, so people looking to consolidate across vendors, and then the sort of continued expansion of asset classes, so making both trading and compliance more complex.
And where do you see the future challenges lie in the next sort of 12, 18 months?
I think definitely more of the same. I think the industry is starting to blur. We have a balance between hedge funds and long-only clients, and we're seeing actually that the hedge funds are starting to behave a little bit more like long-only funds and vice versa. So I think having flexibility in your product roadmap, and I think the other thing is key is client service, which is something that we believe we excel at.
TSAM itself, you've attended many times before. What's made you a sponsor this time?
Yeah, I think from our perspective, I mean, I've known TSAM through my long career as a prestigious event. It's always well attended and well supported by the sort of key industry players. So I think a couple of things. We hope to sort of establish brand with the long-only space in particular, but also with, see what's going on in terms of the marketplace, and it's an opportunity to catch up and network with industry partners as well.
Thanks Jerry, it's been a pleasure speaking to you today. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks very much, it's been a pleasure.